they get given to charity. I'm not quite sure how accurate that is, but people just leave them, dump them, and then someone has to come round and break them down, I guess. And I know that a load of it is recyclable, so if you can't do it as charity, then a lot of it's going to landfill, so it's not the best thing in the world.
I think it's quite disgusting, really, because you walk around and there's like people just leaving brand new sleeping bags on the floor and brand new tents they've used once, they just dump them, you know. Certain people don't have that sort of disposable funds to do that, you know. I don't understand why people just leave everything, you know. I mean, all you gotta do is take it home, clean it, put it away, and then next year you don't have to buy it again. Yeah.
The impact that the audience have on the festival by leaving their tents behind is that there's huge cost of getting all the staff off site. Most of it goes to landfill. That's a huge cost of the festival. It's increasing the price of the tickets for the audience, and people should just take their stuff home.
For each person that can't bother to take their tent down and carry it away, someone else could spend days going around taking tents down and carrying them away. It's not really very fair, surely. And yeah, take your tent home, please.